In this video, I'll cover how to use the Unboxed plugin within a SAP Hybris website. The plugin enables you to integrate all of the product discovery features for your Hybris site with minimal developer intervention. The key features of this plugin are Catalog Sync and Analytics integration. I'll start with Catalog Sync, where the first step is to configure SAP Commerce with the Unboxed plugin. By default, SAP uses Apache Solr to index products, so I'll need to change this to Unboxed. In my SAP Admin back office, I want to find indexed types. I can find this under System, Search and Navigation, Index Types, or for a quicker way, I can use the search field to look for indexed types. All of the catalogs are selected, though I can check the selection box and uncheck those I want to remove. I'll click any catalog to select it, open the Administration tab, and under Unbound, I'll set Solr Index Type is Unboxed to True. This implements the same change for all selected catalogs. Then I'll click Save. By default, when an entire catalog is indexed, this means that all of its product attributes are also indexed. But in some cases, there may be attributes that don't need to be included. I'll switch to the Indexed Properties tab, and let's say I don't need to include the Summary attribute. I'll click the three-dot icon for this attribute and choose Edit Details. In the window that opens, I'll open the Administration tab and remove this attribute by changing Solr Index Property is Unboxed to False. Then I'll click Save and close the window. Once the catalogs and attributes are configured, the next step is to sync the product catalog with Unboxed. When you send your catalog to us, we convert it to the Unboxed format and store and index it on our servers. Synchronizing your feed enables your Unboxed plugin to retrieve your catalog information stored within the Hybris database. There are three ways to sync your product catalog: Full Feed Upload, Update Feed Upload, which is also called Delta or Incremental Upload, and Selected Product Upload. I'll start with Full Feed Upload, which syncs your entire catalog. This sync is done via the back office. I'll search for Facet and open Facet Search Configurations. I'll select the catalog I want to sync and click Index. I'll keep the default option of Full for Full Feed Sync and click Start to run the upload. The second type of sync is Update or Incremental Feed, which includes products that have been added or changed since the previous sync. This is also done through the back office in Facet Search Configurations. I'll click the catalog to update, click Index, and choose the Update option. The last sync method is for selected individual products. In Facet Search Configurations, I'll choose the catalog I want and click Hot Update Index. For item type, I'll choose Product and keep the default Update operation value. I'll click Next to proceed to the step in which I select the actual products to sync. If I click inside the drop-down menu, I'll be able to select products one by one, using the search field to locate specific products. Or I can click the three-dot icon for a more robust search mechanism, in which I can select multiple products at once. Clicking Start runs the hot indexing. Now I'll discuss how to set up a cron job, which automates the feed sync. I'll go to System, Background Processes, Cron Jobs, where there is a list of defined cron jobs. To add a new cron job, I'll click the drop-down arrow on the plus sign at the top left, open the cron job drop-down, scroll down and open Cron Job for Solr Indexer, and choose Cron Job for Solr Indexer External. This is where I can configure my cron job settings. Here is where I can choose Full or Update for the indexer operation. The job definition is Solr Indexer Job, and for Solr configuration, I'll choose the catalog to index. Then I'll click Done. If I need to change any settings for this cron job, I can click it to open it. Its settings open in the lower panel, where the settings are grouped in tabs. Once a cron job has been created, it can be run immediately, or I can schedule it. To set a schedule for the cron job, I'll open the Time Schedule tab and click Create New Trigger. I'll keep the cron job active and click Done. The trigger is listed here, and I can double-click the trigger to edit its settings. If I want a daily trigger at 5 a.m., I'll enter 5 for the hour and keep the other values as is. I'll click Save, and the daily 5 a.m. trigger is listed. Finally, there are two options in the Unboxed menu on the left. Product Synchronization displays a list of all products from the entire Hybris server. Under Catalog Version, Staged means that the products are not yet live online, so I can still check things over and make changes. Unboxed Uploads displays a chronological list of all catalog uploads. Each upload is identified by a timestamp, unique file name, and ID. I can also use the Task Status column to see which catalogs have been uploaded. I can check the upload type in the Delta column. True means that the upload was an update or incremental, and false means a full catalog upload.